welcome back to Frames and Fours YouTube. I'm just going to do a quick little film because I want to show my customer we've just renovated a SM50 SAHINLER power hammer and it's ready to go. So I'm just going to start it up and run him up. We filled it all up with oil and grease and I'll show you what it's come out like. It was totally devastated, it was wrecked completely and we've totally rebuilt it. As you come through here and have a look, and I'll forge a bit of bar on it, we'll just try it out. So that's an Yang ST ready to go out, that's a 25, and then we've got our anvils just came in. So we've just renovated this hammer. It was a right disaster when we got it. So I'll plug him in. I'm going to forge a little bit of bar on it. Let's find the nearest plug so it's all over. It's filled up with oil. I'll just undo the oiler. The only thing with these is they are a bit sort of, you have to bang them to, there's a ball bearing joint in there, but we put it in start. I normally put a piece of wood in there, leave a bit of wood in there, because these are renowned for banging up and down until they're running, but I'll put a bit of wood in, we're about to post it, so we can have a bit. Up it goes. I'll go and heat up a bit of bar, and we'll try and forge it out. Good control. I'll check the belts, it slows down a little tiny bit, belts probably want tightening up a little bit. I want to let it run in. Seals are nice and tight, ram comes down really slow. Right, well I hope you like that, thank you.